The Mercedes-Benz C117 CLA class was designed to be a younger sibling to the C-Class. As a result, it comes with a stylish center console and front profile as standard. In this video, we'll look at the 5 most common C117 changes. This is Rolling on Wheels, and I'm here to welcome you. Today, we'll discuss upgrade and modification options for the Mercedes-Benz C117 CLA class. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you are interested in topics like these. Let's get these wheels rolling. The Mercedes-Benz CLA is a subcompact executive automobile that Mercedes-Benz has been producing since 2013. The first version was a 4-door fastback sedan marketed as a 4-door coupe and built based on the W176 A-Class and W246 B-Class compact vehicles. Mercedes-Benz added the shooting brake, a station wagon form, to the CLA family in 2015 as the V177 A-Class sedan replaced the W205 C-Class as the budget-conscious sedan. The second generation grew more extended and broader. The Mercedes-Benz CLA is the company's first front-wheel drive car for the North American market. The CLA series sits above the A-Class and is approximately on par with the C-Class in the Mercedes model lineup, with fewer functional variants than the A-Class on which they are based. The CLA was first available in Europe in April 2013 and then in the United States in September of that year. Western Europe and the United States are its 2 most important markets. Mercedes-Benz said that the CLA sold 100,000 units worldwide in its first year, calling it our best launch in 20 years. Mercedes-Benz sold around 750,000 units of the first generation worldwide. Now, let's discuss the top 5 Mercedes-Benz C117 CLA class upgrades and alterations. Air vent outlet ring cover trim and OBD2 chip Mercedes CLA 250 C117 211 HP petrol performance tuning box. The air vents are the first thing you'll notice about the interior of the C117. The automobile comes with 5 large vents as standard. As a result, they're an excellent spot to start making changes. We found a pair that covers all of the inner rings. A performance box is a simple and easy solution to boost the performance of your ordinary C117. You can get the most power out of your engine by using a performance box. This one is designed exclusively for the C117. It's said to provide up to 20% greater power and 10% better fuel economy. In addition, the performance box will improve pedal response and eliminate turbo lag. V3 coil-over kit and inner door speaker cover for Mercedes-Benz CLA. A racing coil-over is another excellent option to improve the car's performance. These BR Racing coil-overs are designed specifically for the W116. They'll provide the vehicle more corner stability and a more responsive steering feel. For many years, coil-overs have been a staple of performance modifications. So, get your hands on a pair and prepare for substantially faster lap times. The chrome speaker vehicles look great on the W116's doors. We discovered a pair that fits it perfectly and doesn't interfere with the original speaker's quality. The stock speaker covers weren't terrible, but they weren't perfect either. The interior looks so much nicer after upgrading to this set of chrome covers. The chrome covers also give the speakers a more premium appearance. Diamond CLA style front grille for Mercedes-Benz CLA class and LED illuminated star kit. The C117's front grille, like the W205's, is the most visible component of the vehicle, even more so on the C117, whose nose is supposed to protrude more than the C-Class. We came upon a diamond-shaped grille that looks fantastic. On the C117, the diamond grille looks great and is a breeze to install. Your car will stand out from all other CLAs on the road thanks to the diamond design. The LED lit front insignia is a popular addition. The car is a guaranteed head turner at night because of the sparkling light on the star logo. It's another simple installation that shouldn't take long to complete on your C117. This kit will go great with the diamond grille we described earlier. The combination of the two will result in a car that appears to be very expensive. Carbon fiber rear diffuser and carbon fiber roof spoiler for Mercedes CLA. The most popular modification to the C117 are rear diffusers. The carbon trim is, as usual, the most popular option. Carbon trim is popular because of its lightweight and long durability. It also provides the vehicle a highly athletic back end. This kit includes everything you'll need to complete the AMG appearance. On the C117, a carbon fiber roof spoiler looks fantastic. The side sweeps of the spoiler give the automobile an exquisite appearance. The roof spoiler complements the conventional rear spoiler nicely. On a white or red CLA, the carbon accent looks fantastic. I recommend coupling it with a carbon trunk spoiler to give the back end the complete carbon treatment. Carbon fiber trunk spoiler and Carlsson 18-inch graphite rims Mercedes. As I previously mentioned, a carbon trunk spoiler is crucial for achieving the whole carbon look on your C117. The rear lights focus your attention on the CLA's rear profile. The trunk of the C117 stands out. The standard box already sticks out a little, but a trunk spoiler will make it pop even more. This modification is prevalent among those who want to recreate the AMG model. The C117 looks pretty good with the spoiler and a carbon diffuser. The AMG-style rims usually are the most popular on a Mercedes, but these Carlsson 18-inch graphite rims are the greatest. Something about the way they're seated on the car makes the side profile stand out. They appear to be magnificent 5-spoke rims from afar, but closer inspection reveals another 5 directly behind them. These rims stand out thanks to the intelligent color contrast. They aren't cheap, but they make the C117 look fantastic. Apart from these major updates and modifications, there are a few more things to consider. But first, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. LED front door sill scuff plate pedal for Benz CLA class. The C117's long sweep lends itself well to a pair of LED scuff plates. The gorgeous glow will offer a nice light to the automobile's interior whenever you open the door. This is a simple installation, so don't be intimidated when making your decision. They are available in 3 colors to complement the most popular interior elements. LED cuff plates are a terrific way to add some color to your car's decor. Inner middle console speaker cover for Mercedes-Benz CLA. The C117 stock console speaker appears to be rather dull. On the nice-looking dash, the plain black cover stands out like a sore thumb. But don't worry, we figured out how to make the speakers seem fantastic. This speaker cover with a chrome finish turns an ordinary speaker cover into a work of beauty. Moreover, the speaker cover is easy to install and does not interfere with the sound. Red front lip. It's always a good idea to add a crimson accent to the front spoiler. It looks perfect on the W117. On a carbon or white bumper, a front lip spoiler will look fantastic. It's a popular tweak because of how simple it is to install. The C117's front design will be stunning when paired with a diamond grille. Chrome front AC control trim for Mercedes-Benz CLA. The chrome front AC control trim is a subtle but popular addition. The AC controls have a sleek design thanks to the chrome trim. Unfortunately, the chrome trim is not included with the basic controls, and purchasing it from the dealership is a costly option. So why not get a good deal on eBay instead of paying more at the dealership? The chrome accent adds a nice touch to the overall look. Ashtray cover for Mercedes-Benz CLA. For the C117, we've located a pretty excellent pair of chrome ashtray covers. These chrome covers offer a different feel from the standard covers. In addition, the Mercedes-Benz logo is printed on the set of bodies, which I believe is a nice touch. Overall, I think the chrome ashtray cover is a fantastic complement to the C117's interior. These covers will give the center console a warm and inviting look. The Mercedes-Benz CLA class isn't a practical automobile, which is evident when the A-Class is better packaged, costs less, and drives similarly. However, even though the steering and ride comfort isn't up to the Benz's usual high standards, it delivers torquey performance and excellent handling. There's little doubt that 75% of Mercedes-Benz CLA class buyers will be new to the brand because the car combines style and dynamics. But if you can get a hatchback for the same money, the A250 Sport is the better car. That concludes today's video. We hope it has provided you with some knowledge and inspiration. Please remember to subscribe and turn on the notification feature. Rolling on wheels here, and we'll see you in the following video.